Welcome back. We got a new car on the channel. Lance is not here yet. It's his, but I'm too excited, so I think we're going to check it out. And we also have a surprise guest. Right here's the new car and our surprise guest, the brother-in-law, Thad. You've seen him around on the channel before, but we have a 2022, 23, I'm actually not even sure. Model Y just got dropped off from Copart. Lance is going to be back shortly, so Thad and I are checking it out a little bit. Here is our damage.
Just a plate-sized imperfection. Nothing more.
I tell you what, it's not too bad. It looks like it hit up above this, up above the actual thing. Oh, it opens. Okay. Not bad. We got a project that we're gonna do with this today, but it was a killer deal.
It's not a 7-seater.
It is not the 7-seater, and we're gonna try to take care of that here today. So wrapped in black. I don't know what the paint underneath looks like. The paint is black underneath. All right, man. You ready? Let's go take it for a quick spin before. Now, this is the performance.
A literal spin.
Yeah, well, we might take it for a spin. We'll see. But this is the performance. The other Y that we have is not. So this is going to be a nice little change of pace. Significantly faster. So inside, and now this is very familiar, but I've not ever been in one of the performance Teslas before. So we're going to check that out. I think we got to go into the screen here to switch because we definitely want full power. I wouldn't just ease into track mode. What is track mode? Select track mode and enable frame. Performance upgrade package, which I think this has. All right, we're supposed to check all those stuff. We did. All right, we're entering track mode. Okay, so you get a thing. We did actually check tires because it had a note, and there's something wrong with the tire pressure sensor because the tire pressures are okay. But let's see. Let's go back into here. Let's check customize. I'm just curious here. Handling, balance. This is for race. Drift. Drift? Well, can you do like a burnout with it? I don't know. 0 to 100. I don't know how you actually change the settings. Oh, add new profile. Hold on. Fast. Create profile. Okay. So now we can go in. So I think we want, yeah, that. Well, let's see what happens. I'm just going to try it here for a second with that. Okay. All right. Hold on a second. It did not light up the tires. Oh, wait, no, it's, hold on. I think I did it backwards. Well, that's confusing because you go over here, which looks like to me would be the rear. All right. Hold on. Stability assist. Hold on. That I think we need. -10. That's definitely. Let's go back again. I figured the thing can do a burnout. I think is what we're trying to accomplish at the moment. I'm not sure if I'm using the correct. Why will it not post drive coolant, save dash cam? Is this? Do we want more? We don't want more, right? All right. Well, drift preset. Let's try that for a second here. Let's just go to that. We're gonna go up the hill. See what happens. Maybe we'll end up in the bushes. It's our drift.
It just leaked on my leg.
Is there water?
It is pissed off. It just urinated on me.
Well, let's go on a little drive anyways here. Not fooling around. Let's get serious with it. It's quick. It's sort of properly quick. All right, I can't do it. This is definitely a neighborhood where I know people, so we gotta we gotta keep the neighbors happy. can't put my window down. I just realized somebody broke the switches off inside here. But you want to take it for a drive now?
Giddy up, horsey. Now I know what it's like to weigh like 300 pounds, because that's how much pressure is being put in this. You know, I drove a C8 Corvette yesterday, and this is close to as fun as far as like just gravitational forces.
Yeah, not in a corner though.
Not in a corner, not in a corner.
And then at the end of the day, this looks like a Tesla.
This one still looks like an ink smudge.
Back from the test drive, and Lance pulled in while we were gone.
Lance, I
So-
need to apologize. The front right seat is a little more wet than it was originally.
From Spencer's driving?
I might have pulled a few extra G's going sideways, and
Oh, you're driving.
And
he wetted himself.
yeah.
Well, yes.
Okay.
I have your
No, it actually, the AC is like leaking a little bit, he said, into the...
Is that what it was?
Plus I peed.
Condensation.
We're gonna-
Condensation from your body.
Yeah.
Got it.
All right.
Sort of a renal condensation issue.
So, what do you want to do?
We need to
What do you
like. Okay, so I was able to.
I
get,
haven't described anything other than, what do you think of the damage?
Oh, damage. I'm pleased with. Like, I mean, as far as damage goes, this is good damage. I'll tell you what. It doesn't need much. Like, I mean, it's going to take us an hour or two, you know, of stuff to kind of get it all straightened up. But my biggest thing is I picked up a 7-seat. It just opens when you touch it. Oh, ouch! Ooh, this sticks down. I picked up a 7-seat interior, and I would actually like to convert this from a 5-seat to a 7-seat as well as fix these items.
I've heard they say it can't be done.
They say it can't be done. I would like to find out. So I'm already kind of deep enough into it at this point where I have like all the parts and everything that I say it's worth a shot. So I was able to, off of a different color vehicle, I was able to pick up a red hatch.
Okay.
I also picked up a red bumper, but it doesn't have the sensor holes. This one has sensors here, and the other bumper doesn't. So we might have to try to fix this bumper, but I'd like to do it in one day here and like get it out for inspection. So I say we just tear into this sucker. This piece here, amazingly enough, just removes. Like it's
The center of it?
It's center, just a few bolts bolt in, and that's it.
The black part.
The black part. Yeah.
Insane.
Yeah. So it's
Well,
pretty
that's cool.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
it's actually pretty easy to fix. Like, I think these tabs will have to be straightened up a little bit, but it's not going to be a nightmare.
I am curious to see the way they make these new frames on these Teslas, how they're all pressed together. And
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a cast aluminum frame. So, well, I say we strip it down and look at it.
We've had a ton of Teslas and electric cars on the channel, but we've never actually torn one apart. So this is the first rebuild or anything like that we've done on a Tesla. It is a, what year? I
22.
forgot. 22. Okay, I couldn't remember if it was 22 or 23. 22 Model Y performance, and it is wicked fast. What do we got to do to take this apart?
Let's take some stuff out, man. I'm just going to start removing things.
I'm going to let you guys do the work. I will film.
Okay. Here. You see that? I removed that.
Are these your bolt holes? It looks like they are. There's nothing was in here, right? Like these guys?
Yeah, those are
Okay,
fine.
so what they said online was that there was no holes between the 5-seater to the 7-seater, that they did not have the holes to bolt into, but it looks like what I'm looking at right now is that they do.
Yeah.
At least some of them.
Looks like it's okay. But honestly, the 7-seat interior is not my biggest concern. I mean, like, I want to do that, but I just want to see what it takes to get it like inspected at this moment. So
Okay.
I want to get inspected, and then,
Worry about the 7 seats.
well, if we get it all put together here in 10 minutes, then we'll put the seats in too. Oh, here, one more.
that's it.
That's different.
Just like that, we're going back together.
Got a brand new piece.
Something like that.
From side to side.
Factory, man.
Yeah.
Honestly, Tesla, this is closer than Tesla's like quality control.
Yeah.
Anyways, so like, I mean, they forget to glue the roofs on sometimes, which is a major, major issue to forget.
Yeah, you need that, actually.
Because it goes sailing. Here is the Tesla certified repair. Now it's just reassembly. It looks
Pretty good.
darn good. Good job. Good job, guys. I didn't do much on this one.
Just a framing hammer.
Here's our final product on the back end. Thad did a wonderful job. Lance did an okay job. I did the filming.
Lance with a plastic surgeon today.
But it came out pretty nicely. I mean, the wrap definitely should come off. And this obviously doesn't. Does this match? The red and the black?
I think it looks hot.
No, the fitment, everything came out better than factory Tesla, which does not take much. We are not going to do one part today, and that is the 7-seater. We were going to turn it into the 7-seater with the new interior, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to pop it back together because we're going to take it, make sure it passes the enhanced inspection. So I'm going to split this video up into 2 parts. We are going to wrap it up here then. Excited about the Tesla. It came out almost perfect. We did not preview this one. It was just like a good deal. Buy it now at our local yard. And it had all of the options, the full self-driving, performance, all that stuff. And the hit was so light. I'm really surprised they totaled it, but I know Teslas are a basket case once you get into more structural stuff. So we got lucky on this one. I think it's going to pass the enhanced with no problem. And for right now, this will just be kind of a part 1 in this saga. And I don't know, happy with the results. Let me know what you guys think.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so